Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to disable comments on your VK app. If you want more control over your posts and prevent unwanted interactions, this guide will help you manage your account settings easily. First, open the VK app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu. Then, in the top right, tap on the three dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Once you are in the Settings section, select Account. Finally, scroll until you find the Comments option and toggle it off. This will disable comments on your posts, giving you full control over interactions on your content. By following these steps, you can keep your posts private and maintain a cleaner, safer online experience. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tips.